Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. So many people ask me about the font changer and how it looks like and works. So as you can see, I have this official post by the original developer here, and the font changer is released. You can simply get it from here. You'll simply get the IPA to your computer first. For your ease, I will also put the reference to this post in the pinned comments, and then you can use any tool to install it like sideloadly, impactor or iloader. The versions supported are from iOS 17.0 all the way through 26.0.1 except your iPhone 17 series due to MTE, and except iOS 18.7.2 to 18.7.7. This font changer is completely free and it is also safe as it comes from a reputable developer. For this, I will be using an iPhone 12 which is running iOS 26.0.1. Now as you can see, I already got the IPA for the font changer. Now to install it, I will be using Impactor. Impactor is completely free and you can get it from its official GitHub page. You will simply go under releases and under assets simply get this file to install it on your Windows PC. Before you can use Impactor, make sure that you have installed iTunes from the official Apple's website. You can simply get it from here and then install it like any other app. Once iTunes and Impactor are installed, you're good to go. Now before you open Impactor, make sure you have connected your iPhone or iPad via USB to your computer and it should show up here. Now simply hit this gear icon and hit add account to add your Apple ID here, and it should show up here above. Once your Apple ID is added, go back and then hit import.ipa/tipa. Then simply select the font replace.ipa or for this font changer and then hit open. Now hit install and wait for the process to finish. Once this is complete, the rest of the process is to be followed on device. Alright guys, now we are on device, and the device we are using is an iPhone 12 running iOS 26.0.1. You can see the font replacement app we installed via the computer is here on our home screen. Before you can open it, you will have to open settings, then go to general, scroll all the way down to device management and trust this app from here. When you trust, make sure Wi-Fi is connected. Once trusted, go back one step on the settings main page, scroll down until you see privacy and security. From there, simply enable the developer mode. It will be off. Turn it on. Your device will prompt you to restart it. Restart and the developer mode will be on. Now you can open the font replacement app. Alright, now from there you can select the font. For this video I will select this font and then hit replace system font and then hit replace. Alright, you can see success, the font is replaced. Hit on OK and then hit on respring to respring the device. Alright, we are back. You can see we have the new font. Let's go in. You can see the font is now changed under the icons. The name font is now the font we selected, and if you want to turn the device off, you can see the font here is also changed. If you open settings and you notice that the font is not changed, don't worry, simply close it from the switcher and then simply reopen it and you will see that we have the new font here which we selected inside the font replacement app. The font is a system-wide replacement, so you will also see it inside your apps. Now if you want to go back to stock, you will simply restart your device. So let me restart. Once your device is back on and you go in, you can see that the font is now back to the default font of your iOS version or your device. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself, guys.